Welcome to 8327 59th Street South in Horace, where your next chapter begins. Bright, spacious, connected. This main level is designed for everyday living and life's best moments. Picture cozy evenings by the fireplace and a kitchen perfect for making memories, whether it's baking cookies, family dinners, or your morning coffee ritual.
A second living space offers room to unwind, whether it's movie night, game night, or simply just a space to spread out.
And the primary suite, it's your retreat, including a spa-like bathroom.
The kind of space you'll look forward to coming home to.
Don't just picture it, live it. This home is available now. Take your first step to a heritage home and schedule a private tour today.